Susan got us a brand new pizza oven from TJ Maxx. It was on sale for $199.99, and she said it normally sells for $380 something. So let's unbox it and see what we've got. Well, we've got the oven. It's got legs underneath. Here's the chimney. Here is front door. Here is the where you put the wood chips or the wood pellets. Our stone and our instructions are over here underneath the stone. Wind's blowing. So let's get this put together. Let's see how this goes together. Got the legs. There's the chimney. It says vents to the back. That's easy enough. Stones in. Guess you put your pellets in here and light it. And it slides in like that. I think that's got to go inside to deflect the heat. We've got to attach a handle to the refill box back here at the back. That's where you can add additional pellets if you need to. This takes a Phillips head screwdriver. Just like that, it's on. And just that quick, it's ready to use. You've got your door, you've got your stone. This is a one stone. It does rotate. Just do it by the finger. And that is supposed to only need to be rotated once during a cook. Should cook within 90 seconds. Heat gauge. This thing will get hot. And around here at the back, you've got your pellet box and your refuel so that you can pour more pellets down in there. Ralph Man's Outdoors. It is awful windy out here. It's supposed to rain tonight, but we're going to have to try this thing out. So I'm going to go ahead and move it underneath the roof here on our back porch, and we'll get to cooking. But till next time, God bless.